Hey guys, welcome back to the DIY Laboratory YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be replacing the battery of the Samsung S7 Edge with a new one. Just a replacement battery, something I found on Amazon that I've used before. So, if you want to know how to change your battery because it's either holding no charge or very little charge or actually expanding because it's really old, stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to try to take off any kind of case that's on my old phone. Now, you can tell that it's cracked. That's because the last time I changed the battery, I wasn't fully releasing the glue that was a part of it. And when I went to go try to pull the back panel off, it cracked. So I didn't drop it, it was just a matter of improper installation, but I didn't mind. I have a case that covered it, so it didn't really affect me. But there's that. You can also see that this is kind of coming apart, and that's because the battery is really old, so it's starting to expand more than it should. So it's probably really hazard to continue using this, so I'm gonna use it with a new battery. Here's the replacement that I used before. So in this replacement kit, you get a couple of tools to kind of really get into your phone, some instructions depending on the type of phone you have. Here's the new battery. It's an upgrade they call it, but it's just a replacement. 4800 milliamp hours. And then a couple of tools to help you get through your install. So let's pull out the battery. And you're going to need this blue tool to really get into your phone to remove the back case. Alright, so if your case was in better condition than mine's, what you're going to do is get a blow dryer to really try to heat up the edges so that the glue or the adhesive just kind of loosens up so that you can pull the back panel off. So I have my blow dryer here. I'm going to put it on the hot setting, and I'm just going to go around it until it gets a nice warm touch to it, and then I'm going to try to pry it slowly without breaking it further. So. Carefully kind of run this through the edge and slowly trying to pop this off as I go along. Feel some resistance, so I'm just gonna get the blow dryer again and heat it up. There you have it. Now that we have the back panel off, maybe in the future I'll find a replacement for this, but in the meantime it's alright. Should have, you can see your battery. Alright, there's this little protective cover here that can just come to the side. Here's the old one. So again, I replaced this the same battery last time. I'm just using the same one. So, comes with a little screwdriver. Taking off all these screws here. Be very careful not to lose these because they're really small. There's two here that I took off. I think I need to remove these two here. I know I said this, I've done this before, but I don't remember. There's another screw here. I think it's holding down that bezel here. So let me go ahead and try to take that off. There we go. Okay, so that was 5 screws holding down this part of the bezel. So I'll go over it. There's one here, one there, one there, one here, and then one there. So now this battery, the connector is right here, and it just goes right underneath this, so it looks like I have to remove this as well. And the connector to the circuit board is right there. So looks like 2 more screws that I'll have to remove. One here, and another one here. Yep, there we go. Now we can simply remove this battery. There's a connector there, so we want to carefully pry that up. Okay, just going to set this aside right there. And then I'm going to get this new battery and line it up the same exact way. So, making sure this connector goes in. You'll feel it click as it goes in. Place it back down. So I removed it in the reverse way, so I'm going to install it properly. So this one goes first. Just gonna attach some of the screws so it holds down. So it's going in really easily. Really, it's just a reverse order of what you took things apart, with the caveat that I did this kind of in a different order. So there's that one screw here, and I think this has to be a part of, we're connected first. Alright, just gonna push this back down so it's kind of flat. It's the old battery, don't need that. And now the installation is complete. Now it's a matter of putting this case back on. So I'm going to hit the back case again with a blow dryer to kind of warm up this adhesive a little bit and then place it back on. So that should seal, but now that I have it on, I'm just going to warm it up again and then press down on it. And there you have it. The new battery is installed. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it, and hopefully it turns on. Here we go. Just some quick footage. It's powered on. It works. Alright, that's it for this video. What I did was replace the battery in the Samsung S7 Edge with some replacement that I found on Amazon. I'll put that link in the description below, so if you're interested in that product, you can purchase it. If you like these type of DIY videos where I do some random stuff like installing a battery on the phone, or some of my home renovations or woodworking, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to know when I upload new videos, hit that notification bell. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.